always. Say that one more time. Just remember.
Hey, it's me, Dacheca, and I just want to thank you for coming here to do my hair with me. So anyway, I really appreciate y'all for being here. Thank you so much for all the love, all the support, everything, the hair comments, everything. So I just wanted to be here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do the little Bantu knots. Let me see if I can get this. Oh, look, you see the little knot? Wait. The little knot bones, the little knots. Okay, sorry y'all, a little bit of a malfunction. But to show you guys how to do these little knots that you guys love so much on my page when I had the blue hair. So, but this time my hair is pink and it's just gonna be even just as cute. And I just wanted to show you guys how to do that really quickly. And so let's go ahead, let's get her done, let's get her going. Anyway, so, okay, let me get closer for you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna start here. So the most important thing, the first things first, sorry, I keep moving this keeps getting on my lashes anyway. The most important thing when it comes to this style is for the knots, mapping it out in your head what you want it to look like. Vision it and it, like, visualize it if you can, right? Visualize what you want it to look like. Visualize how you want it to look like, right? So yeah, visualize how you want it to look like. If you want it layered, not layered, do you want it just straight, do you want a bob? That would be cute, like a little knot bob. Me personally, I'm gonna layer this one, right, because I like the layered look for now. I might try a bob, you know, a bob with a bang. Oh, that'd be cute. Anyway, sorry. I gotta draw that. But so yeah, not what about map it out in your head and how you want it to be, and it'll be a lot easier when you're actually doing the style. Me, I already know how I want it to be. I already know how I want it mapped out. Mapped out. I already know how I want it to be mapped out and everything. So right, first things first, you're gonna pull out your hair and you're gonna fold it to where you want it to be. And depending on where you want it to be, you want to fold it just to go put your finger a little bit on the bottom. So hope I'm explaining that right. As you pull down, like say for this one's gonna be like, I want it to kind of lay kind of like right here. And so since I want it to kind of lay right here, I'm going to fold it just a little bit underneath it, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So I fold it just a little bit underneath it, fold it up, right? Now you have that, so you can have like a sturdy little base right here, so you guys can so you can start wrapping it. So now you have that base. You guys can see that. Yes, move that out the way. Yes. Okay, so you have that sturdy little base. Oh shit. And now wrap it, right? You're gonna wrap it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, after you wrap it, don't mind me. Oh my gosh. After you wrap it, you should have you like a little hole. And after you wrap it, I wrapped it about twice and then I pulled it to just kind of lock it, right? Just tighten it up. After I wrapped it twice, I'm going to take this little ball thing. And you could keep wrapping it, but because what I found when I did that and I just kept wrapping, it didn't, it started to curve and would form into like this little L shape instead of the knotted ball. So to solve that, instead of just keeping it like this, after you wrap it like a good 2 times, you're gonna bring it up again right there, and that's where you're gonna have your ball, right? That's where you're gonna, you guys can see that, that's where you're gonna have your ball. And then I'm gonna take it, hold it on the top, closer, hold it on the top right there. Don't worry about all the little frizzies, hold it there. And I'm gonna wrap it starting from, I start from the top just so I can get that part that I'm holding so I don't have to worry about holding it anymore. If you have this little bottom piece still here, cause it's gonna have that little loop piece, just push that in and up, and that helps seal in that little ball, and start wrapping and pulling it. wrapping and pulling. And I go from, so for the first few ones, I have to hold it together so that it doesn't, basically so it doesn't unravel while you're wrapping it and stuff, so it can keep that ball shape. So you want to hold it and wrap it at the same time. So that's why I had to do that. But let me see if I can go ahead and get a little bit closer for you guys so you guys can see how I wrap it. I'm just wrapping it. See, I go in the middle and then I go to the top. And then I go like around, well, not all the way around, but to the middle. Sometimes I just go through the middle and find wherever you can find a hole. This is going to be the most important part because this is going to seal your knot. And so I go back up to the top, wrap it, pull, and then keep doing that at the one, because once I get towards this little ends right here, back up, these little frilly ends, I just keep wrapping. Keep wrapping, tighten it really, really, really tight. Make sure it is, because if not, this little frilly is gonna come out, and then the whole knot's not gonna come out, but the frilly itself is gonna come out, and then you're gonna have to keep fixing it, because then it's gonna be annoying, and the style's gonna take longer than it needs to. Trust me, it happened to me. And then there you go. That's how I create my little knots, and they're so cute. So that's how I create the knots, and you can kind of see they're already kind of having like this little layered effect. And it also helps because, like, if you want to, again, you follow along the line of your hair. If you're not necessarily sure how to really layer it and stuff, your kind of hair itself is already naturally layered for when you do it. So you just want to if you don't know where to stop your hand, just kind of run it down along. This is how it helps me to do the back of my hair, is I'll just grab it and then I feel for where the root is, and I just run down just a little bit down, because I don't want it to be too long, you know, unless you want to do like a bob type of thing. Because I was thinking about that earlier, and I'm like, it might be cute. It might be cute, you know, do an all knot, like all the knots are down here, and it creates like a bob effect, and then do a bang. It would be different, like it would be like eccentric, different. I like it. But yes. So, and I'm gonna do this one more time, really, really quickly. I only did that in slow-mo for you guys so you can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it at like, I guess, a normal pace that I would do it in, and then so you guys can see, right? Ooh. You guys can see that. Okay, yeah, that's good. You guys can see that. Okay, I'm wrapping it twice up so you guys can really see the normal speed of it. Pull. Oh, see, I tried to loop a little bit and it didn't loop, so that's okay because I'm just pulling up the top here. I said the top, the bottom, because sometimes the little bottom has that little dangly thing. So I just take it and I like cave it in so that it just goes into the ball, kind of like owl's pellet. Oh, that's what these look like. It's kind of like little balls, like little knocker balls, but also like owl pellets balls. Ugh. All right. You guys can see that. And it's okay if not every single one of your balls are the exact same size. It is okay, as long as they're like in the shape of a ball, as long as they're not too big. But yeah, because not all of these are perfectly symmetrical. They don't have to be perfectly symmetrical. And there you go. That's in real time, me doing that. This is already looking cute. I already want to finish it. Look at this. I already want to finish it. Oh my gosh. They also kind of look like little earmuffs. Ooh. Ow. I got idea after idea. I gotta stop. Earmuffs that look like these? That'd be fucking cute. Get out my face. Get out my face. Y'all can't tell me nothing. My mind is so creative. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna show y'all the result. Okay, y'all, so this is the style. She is cute. She is giving. The only thing is, last time I did this, these were a little bit kind of like lower down. Well, not really. Actually, now I think about it, not really. It was just the color was different. I had blue and like a light blue. My eyebrows aren't showing. But this is one of those styles, like, you could style it however you want. I feel like I look like, I look like I'm more crochet hats. That's so cute. But with the style is really easy. If you're gonna be doing the knots, I find that it's easier to do them because of the frequency braids. So because of the braids, like the kind of little bit of a roughness that it has, and it's not like completely super smooth. So when I'm doing the knots, it not only kind of creates this little fuzziness type of look, rather than the braids just being straight regular braids, because you can still do it, but it's going to be a little bit tougher. You're going to have to put a little bit more elbow grease, honestly, into it. But if you have it, like if you freak the braids, or if you do the frequency braids and you do that and then do it, it's gonna be a lot easier if you're doing it with like messy knotted looks. I love it because I love shaking it. I love shaking this style. It's super cute, super creative. You could do so much with it. As far as like short styles, you could do, I done did with the blue one, I did a mohawk, 2 pigtails. You could do a little half up, half down. You could pull it back, you know. You could pull it back, do a little cute back style. You could do bangs, half up, half down. You could do double bangs with it. Like there's, sorry. Y'all can't even see that. The double bangs, I said double bangs, pigtails with it. Like this style is just like really short, cute, but like versatile at the same time. And I love it. Love it. I'm just gonna adjust some of them here. But other than that, thank y'all so much for tuning in. This is basically the look. Let me see the back. Don't laugh at me. I don't know how the back looks. I hope it's cute. Oh, I might have to tweak some, freak some on it. But anyway, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all being here. I love the side view. Oh, don't get me. I'll be conceited. I'll be all into myself. But yeah, anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. I have so much more coming. Actually, in one of these videos, one of my next videos, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to show you guys actually how I, not next videos, but one of my videos, I don't know, it's going to be one of these videos where I'm going to be putting like boiling these and showing you like the results after you take them out, and with the curls, what they look like. Because when you knot up the hair like this and then curl them like this, super cute, super cute. Okay, all right, so thank y'all so much for tuning in. See, there's little frillies that I was talking about earlier that you really want to make sure you get in, but it's okay because sometimes they might come out. If they do, it's okay. Wrap them back right in there and you're good to go. Thank you so much for tuning in, y'all. Have a good one. All right, like, comment, share, subscribe. Definitely more on the way. Definitely. All right, love y'all.